What you can do if your Ethernet cable speed is capped at 100 Mbps. If you have connected a high-speed Ethernet cable to your PC but it's still capped at 100 Mbps, you can follow these steps to fix the problem. Alright, so first what you're gonna do is go to your search and then search for device manager. And once you open your device manager, you can see this network adapters right here. You can click the drop down menu, and I currently do not have an Ethernet cable connected, so you'll find the Ethernet cable option at the very top. And then what you're going to do is right click on that option and go to properties. And once you open the properties of the Ethernet cable connection, you are on your general right now. So what you're gonna do is right click and go to advanced, and here under properties, if you scroll down, you can find your connection that says speed and duplex. So you're gonna click on the speed and duplex properties, and under value you will see different options, but you will have to choose auto negotiation. So once you choose that on this value, you'll just hit OK and then restart your PC and see if that fixes the problem. If that still doesn't fix it, what you can do is open your settings, and under settings go to system and scroll down until you find troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters, and here you can run the troubleshoot for network and internet. Just click right here, and after you do that, you can run the Windows troubleshoot as well. So once you run the troubleshoot for network and internet, you can run the troubleshoot for Windows update, and then close your settings and restart your PC once and see if that fixes the problem. If that still doesn't fix it, the last thing you can do is again go to your device manager and open it. Now what you can do is click on the network adapters again, click on the drop down menu, and right click on your Ethernet connections, and then just click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers is already installed, that means there is no available update for your drivers. But if there is an update available, I recommend you do the update and see if that fixes the problem. And that's how you can fix your Ethernet cable capped at 100 Mbps problem. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.